A collection of 56 white Porsches, known as the White Collection, is set to go under the hammer in December. The mysterious owner behind this unique assortment remains undisclosed by RM Sotheby's, the auction house responsible for the sale. The highlight of the collection is the 2015 918 Spyder, anticipated to fetch between $2.50 and $3 million. Check to see if you're subscribed for daily content. This remarkable assembly, representing over a decade of passionate collecting, will be up for auction on December 1st and 2nd, hosted at the Collector's Porsche Sanctuary in Houston, Texas. As reported by Barron. With cars in the collection priced starting at $40,000, the majority fall within the $200,000 range. RM Sotheby's has labeled the 2015 918 Spyder as the crown jewel of the collection, as it is one of only 918 units produced by Porsche. Painted in Grand Prix White, it typically retails for over $1 million. The auction house has also listed 5 other cars with 7-figure price tags. A 1993 Porsche 911 Carrera RSR 3.8 is expected to sell for $2 to $2.5 million, and a rare 1997 Porsche 911 GT2 is estimated to fetch between $2 to $2.2 million. In recent times, the White Collection is not the only remarkable car collection to hit the auction circuit. In August, RM Sotheby sold the rusted shell of a Ferrari 500 Mondial Spyder Series I for $1.9 million, with restoration costs potentially reaching $2 million. According to Ferrari historian Andreas Berner, RM Sotheby's has a reputation for handling extraordinary and rare lots. In 2022, they achieved a world record by selling a Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe for a staggering $142.3 million, solidifying their status as leaders in the auction industry.